Remember guys, our content here always for educational purposes. Remember, Beyond Meat is still going down. Where's the bottom? All the traders asking this question right now, because as you can see here, Beyond Meat is still continue to go down since the short seller entered around this week. You see this week? This is where the short seller entered the market, around the 90 cents for Beyond Meat. Now it's getting near the 66, guys. The 66 cents, for my opinion, it is a technical level that we might test and reverse from. After that, the 50, of course. So you see what's going on here. We got big two sellers. First, around December last year, once they enter around the 160, we have this channel. Then the second enter around the $1.09, and then we have the third added around the 90. Again, guys, we discussed Beyond Meat and many other stocks for that matter on our Discord and Unicorn Hunt. Yesterday we discussed a really good trade for SUUN. And the stock did a really great job to jump from the $1.88. So for Beyond Meat, we discussed it once the price got shorted here, and we warned our hunter for a squeeze if we broke the 109. Many of you saying never cover the stock is dead. A lot of people lost money. If you watch my video, you will know that I don't advertise anybody to buy. Always warn everybody to do the due diligence first. And second, I'm not saying squeezing and buying now. I'm saying squeezing if before we broke this line. If you don't know the technical, yes, you will say you misleading and why you say squeezing and it's not squeezing. Yes, because you don't know technical. So if you know technical, you know what I mean. Squeeze only if, just take every word. Don't just take one word of that I'm saying and saying, yeah, you promote the stock. I'm not promoting anybody or even Beyond Meat to give me even $1. But I'm showing you the word. When someone tell you, will squeeze if, the word if, it changed everything. We said, if we broke this level, yes, we're going to have a squeeze. Again, now, if we broke the 90, yes, we have the squeeze. The other if we held the 66, we're going to have a reversal. If I don't say if, yes, you're right. I have misleading information. I pump the stock. I give false information. But if you take my information literally and you listen really carefully and know technical, you know what I mean, and you know how to trade. Because if you don't know how to trade and you just buy and hold, yes, of course the price will go down on you and you'll be panicking and checking the news, and you can't sleep at night because you don't know how to manage the stock or your emotion. And this is need a bit of time to master. That's why we always do update and do even one-on-one Zoom meeting for many other traders who have a lot of bad judgment or bad investment before, and help them to actually fix that issue. So if this is one of you watching and have this kind of scenario, you can actually join us and send me a message once you join our Patreon Discord. I will help you and guide you through how to trade with us. But in the meantime, Beyond Meat, guys, as we said, we need to hold the 66 in order to reverse, like what happened here around the 1st of 2006. What happened here on November 2025. Once we hold, we're gonna have a reversal. Now there is no holding for the prices. Price is free falling. That's why we have to be really strategic and patience, because the price is getting near this reversal zone around the 60 seconds, just 8% around this level. Once we test this level, we're going to do another update. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe, because we're going to do updates daily for Beyond Meat. And we discuss it even on our live streaming, as for we do it right now 30 minutes before the market open.